Hey guys, so on 5th of July we saw a big fall. Okay, we saw this is the daily time frame of Nifty. We saw this rising wedge pattern breakout, right? So if I want to analyze for the next day, okay, let's see what we can get. Okay, so I'm gonna start by this swing low, right? This gap, and connect it to these swing lows here, like this. Okay, so we can say two things. One, either Nifty will come and take support here, or if it breaks it, then we need to be careful. Okay, and we're looking for that break, right guys? As per this strategy, we're looking for that break. Okay, so let's go on the 3-minute time frame and let's see. Okay, so for some reason that trend line is not coming. So what I will do is, it's basically these two swing lows here. Okay, so I'm taking this swing low, which is the lowest low in this entire trend that you can see, and then I'm taking this next swing low here, like this. Okay, so that will give me my support trend line, which we drew on the daily time frame. Okay, so two things can happen, right? Either price will take support here and bounce, or it will break it, and then we may see lower levels. Okay, so let me add the Bollinger Bands and see what trades we get for today, right? For 8th of July. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so as we can see, price opened here, it gapped down, and it immediately broke the trend line. Okay, so this is giving a sign of weakness, guys, right? This is a big sign of weakness, this break, right? Even yesterday we got a nice fall because again we had that trend line which was broken, and where we got a nice trade as per this strategy. So what is it indicating now? Big red candle, close below the lower Bollinger Band. It's breaking this trend line, which is a major trend line, right? Which we drew on the daily time frame, and RSI is much below the 40 level. So my entry goes below this candle low. Okay, 11,707. Stop loss, swing high is too high, it's like 60 points, so I will simply keep it at 20 points. All right, and that's it, guys. So we're risking 20 points, and let's see what the day offers, right? What this trade offers to us. Okay, first target will be 20 points, which was pretty much achieved in the next candle, right? So in 3 minutes we're getting 20 points, which is fantastic, guys, right? That's why I always say book partial profits, because you never know. All we know, it may reverse and start going up from here. So at least, you know, we won't regret that, oh, we let go of some profits. So always secure some profits. Okay, and then you can just trail the remaining, right? So our first target of 20 points is done. Now let's see if Nifty continues going down, right, and follows through on the breakout, or it pulls back. Okay, but in whichever way, we have booked some profits or full profit. And now, okay, what I can do is I can move my stop loss right near cost or above these swing highs. Okay, so now I'm safe. I'm completely safe, right? I put my stop above these swing highs near cost, and so now I am mentally free to just trail my position, right? If it continues going lower, great. And it is, guys, right? It is following through on the breakout. So as of now we are in almost 40 points profit. Okay, and what we can do is we can move our stop loss here, we can trail our stop loss here to the swing high. Okay, so you keep trailing like that. Okay, now price is going even lower. Now we are in 75 points profit. Okay, so if you want to book it here, guys, feel free, or you can start trailing a bit closer, right? Let's say maybe now at 50 points, I will trail my stop loss. All right, so from 75, guys, it's almost 100 points. Okay, I wouldn't look left, right, just book your profit. Okay, if you're getting 100 points, it's fantastic intraday, right? It's enough for the week. Book your profits. Okay, do not be more greedy and hold. You might get 200 points, that's fine. Take your money and get out. Okay, so when you get a trade like this, close your terminal, go celebrate, right? Go celebrate. You don't need to trade more. Okay, even though price may continue going lower and lower and lower, right? We don't need to trade more, guys. That's it. Okay, see, we got an entry opportunity here, which again would have been a nice profitable trade. You get an entry opportunity here, which would have been a brilliant trade, but you have already booked 100 points. Be done for the day and celebrate, right? By 11 o'clock, you have booked 100 points. What else do you want? Okay, so again, another fantastic trade, guys. Can you see how simple this strategy is? And just by following, simple technicals and the rules that the strategy suggests, it is that simple, guys. Okay, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best strategies you can possibly come across when you combine all these factors. Okay, so keep it simple like this, right? Go ahead and back test this. Okay, but keep it as simple as you can, and then you will get the results. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.